In this video, we're going to do a little comparison between Mint Mobile and T-Mobile Prepaid. Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech That Doesn't Byte. Are you considering signing up for Mint Mobile or T-Mobile? Which one is better? Well, in this video, we're going to break down some of the advantages, the prices, and also the disadvantages from both carriers. So let's get started. Mint Mobile is an MVNO that currently provides wireless service using the T-Mobile network. We're going to compare Mint Mobile plans and the T-Mobile Connect plans. The T-Mobile Connect plans are T-Mobile's own low-cost prepaid plans. For my testing, I used an iPhone 12 mini and opted to activate both the services via eSIM. I tested their $15 per month plan. The activation process was simple and quick. It's a plus that both Mint Mobile and T-Mobile Prepaid have a mobile app that will allow you to activate your service via an eSIM. Let's move on to the network test. Given that Mint Mobile uses the T-Mobile network, there shouldn't be a difference in speed. However, some MVNO like Mint Mobile can have a different level of data prioritization. It all depends on the QCI of the network. So QCI is a quality of service identifier. There's a great article from Critic about QCI, which I'll leave a link in the description. Basically, a network with a lower QCI value has a higher priority within the network. I'll also leave this Reddit post by a user, Cali77. This user basically has a list of all the QCI of each network. And according to that Reddit post, T-Mobile Connect plans have a QCI 6 and Mint Mobile has a QCI 7. It's interesting that T-Mobile prepaid plans, including the Connect plans, have the same level of priority as their postpaid Magenta plans. Here are some 5G network speed tests that were conducted around my area. I was getting download speeds between 200 megabits per second down to 400 megabits per second. So as you can see, the 5G speeds on both Mint Mobile and T-Mobile exceeded my expectations. Here are the mobile hotspot speeds. I'm currently having my hotspot tethered to my iPad. I was surprised that my mobile hotspot speed on Mint Mobile wasn't slowed down. In my previous Mint Mobile review, the hotspot speed was much slower. Voice quality from both carriers during the phone call was great and consistent. I had no problems with SMS, MMS, and visual voicemail. Wi-Fi calling also works on both Mint Mobile and T-Mobile. Question of the day is, which carrier are you using? Leave your comments below. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also that bell notification so you get notified of new videos. And also, if you want to support the channel, we recently launched a Patreon page. We got some great Patreon levels and also some perks as well. And you can also support us through Ko-Fi as well. Let's get back to the video. With Mint Mobile, you have the option to purchase a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month plan. If you purchase a 12-month plan, the lowest tier is $15 per month at 4 gigabytes of 5G or 4G data with unlimited talk and text, hotspot, and unlimited 2G after you have used up your data allotment. With T-Mobile Connect, the plan starts at $10 per month for 1,000 domestic minutes, 1,000 domestic texts, and 1 gigabyte of 5G or 4G data. At $15 per month, you get 3 gigabytes of 5G/4G with unlimited talk and text. You can pay monthly for these plans. However, the data is a hard cap. So once you have used up your monthly data allotment, you won't be able to use your data for the rest of the month unless you purchase additional data. So what I like about Mint Mobile is that they have the option for you to choose a tier data plan or an unlimited data plan. Even though their network priority is lower than T-Mobile's own Connect plans, I don't see a huge difference in terms of the network speed, at least in my area. They also have more data to offer at a better price. They also have an app that allows you to manage your account. You can check your data usage, buy more data, add international credits. Mint Mobile also has Mint Family. It's their version of a family plan. Each family member can choose their own data plans, and the primary user is the one in charge of renewals. I think it's pretty nice that this app is pretty well designed and it's easy to use it. So I really appreciate when MVNO carriers do have an app for you to manage your phone service. So those are the things that I like about Mint Mobile. Now here are some of the things that I don't like about Mint Mobile Wireless. The unlimited data plan has a 35GB 5G or 4G data cap. It means that once you hit that 35GB mark, your data speeds will be slowed down to 2G speeds. Also, if you're on the unlimited data plan, the mobile hotspot is limited to 5GB of data. There's also no free international roaming or domestic roaming. eSIM is only supported on iPhones or Google Pixel devices at the moment, and you have to buy the plans in bulk, so you have to either choose a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month plan. So what I like about T-Mobile's Connect plan is that they have the option for you to pay on a monthly basis. The Connect plans have the same network priority as their post-play Magenta plan customers. They offer a $10 plan for individuals that don't use a lot of data or talk or text as well. They also have domestic data roaming. Also, the $15 or $25 plan automatically grows by 500 megabytes each year until 2025. Now here are some of the things I don't like about T-Mobile Connect plans. The hard data cap. You have to purchase additional data when you run out of data. Video streaming is standard definition, no HD streaming. If you run out of text and voice minutes on their $10 plan, you can't add additional minutes or text for the remainder of the month. They also don't have free international calling to other countries. eSIM support on their prepaid plans is limited to just iPhone devices. They also don't have an app for prepaid customers to manage their accounts. You have to use their website to manage your account. I personally will go with Mint Mobile because you get more data options and an unlimited option as well. If you live in an area where T-Mobile coverage is great and you don't mind buying their plans in bulk, then Mint Mobile is a good option. If you don't like the option of buying plans in bulk, then T-Mobile Connect is another great option as well. And again, T-Mobile Connect plans have the same network priority as their postpaid plans. But overall, both options are great. It all depends on your budget and what you are looking for. If you are interested in signing up with Mint Mobile, you can use my referral link in the description. If you're interested in other MVNO carrier reviews, check out some of these videos. And I'll see you next time.